We're getting ready to cut something out on the vinyl cutter. So first we need to make sure that we have our drawing, our design, whatever we're cutting, finished the way we like it, the appropriate size, etc. Once that's all done, we need to take a couple of measurements just to be sure. So we're going to use our dimension tool up here, and we need to know how tall it is. We also need to know how wide it is, because we're going to have to put these in just a second. So we're basically 3 inches tall, 5 3/4 inches wide. Before we go to print or cut, we want to make sure we delete these, otherwise the cutter will try to cut those for us. So we're going to go up to File, down to Print. We want to make sure that we have Roland GS24 selected right here. Then we're going to go to Properties. This is typically going to revert to millimeters, so we need to make sure we click on inches right here. And then we're going to put in the width of whatever we're cutting. So in this case, it was 5.75. And we need to put in the length, but we're going to add a 1/2 inch to the length. So we were at 3 inches, so we're going to put 3.5 inches and hit OK. And we can see that changes how it looks on the screen here. Now, a couple of other things that we need to check on. We need to scroll down, make sure that we have the top viewport selected and that we have extents selected. The last thing we need to do is go on our scale thing, or scale selection, and set it at 1:1. Okay, that will mean that 1 inch on our screen actually cuts out 1 inch in real size. If this is a different setting, then we may have some issues there. So we've done that. This all looks good. Then we can go ahead and hit the print button, and it will start cutting out on the vinyl cutter.